In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Sites. This process is straightforward and will take just a few minutes. Whether you're creating a site for an international audience or simply prefer to work in another language, these steps will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Sites. Simply open up your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Sites homepage. Once there, make sure you're logged into your Google account, otherwise you might not see all the options available to you. After you've reached Google Sites, take a look at the top left corner of the page, where you'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Give that a click, which will open up a drop-down menu with various settings and options. This menu is a handy way to navigate the site's features, especially if you're looking to customize aspects like language settings. Next up, you're going to want to click on the Settings option from this drop-down menu. It's usually denoted by a gear icon. The settings page is like the control center for your Google site. It's where you'll adjust various options to tailor the site to your needs. Once you're in the settings, locate the section labeled Language. Here you'll initially see your current language setting, likely defaulted to English or another previously selected language. Clicking on the current language will prompt a new screen where you can make changes. Now, if you wish to add a new language, you'll see an option labeled Add Another Language. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the real customization begins. By clicking this option, you can select from a wide range of languages that Google Sites supports, making it easier to reach a global audience or make the interface more intuitive for yourself. After clicking to add a language, a search bar will appear. This is where you'll type in the language you wish to add. Google has a vast selection, so whether it's Spanish, French, Mandarin, or any other language, you're likely to find it. As you type, suggestions will appear, helping you quickly find the language you need. Once you've selected the desired language, make sure to click the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures your changes are applied. Saving locks in the new settings, so when you go back to work, everything will be in the language you choose, and there you have it. A few simple steps, and you've successfully changed the language on Google Sites. Your site is now ready to be customized further. This adjustment lets you cater to different linguistic needs, whether for personal preference or professional requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.